Next, we have a question from Kelly. It says, what can be done about pharmaceutical companies controlling the marketplace? Basically getting to the issue of pharmaceutical drugs costing so much and seeing their costs go up over the last few years. I always talk about the story, and hopefully he's on, of my best friend from my K-12 years who got diagnosed with diabetes at a young age, and talks about a vial of insulin back in the early 70s, 70, 71, costing a few bucks, and today costing north of $150. It's the same insulin. That is not acceptable, and actually is somewhat criminal. I think the best thing we can do for pharmaceutical companies is put more transparency on the issue. Find out how they're pricing stuff. Make that information available to folks like me and their customers that are buying the pharmaceuticals. Find out how much money they're spending on ads to try to entice people in using different drugs. I think the more transparency that's put on pharmaceutical companies, the better off we are to know why they're charging the prices they're charging for the prescription drugs that are so necessary for quality of life for people out there. And where it's merited that those costs be charged, so be it. But where it's not, then we can hold them accountable if there's transparency in that marketplace. And by the way, we're working on that. I think it's one of the fixes to the healthcare system that we need to do is put more transparency on pharmaceutical companies so that they're held accountable for the prices they charge. Thanks. There's probably going to be a number of healthcare questions. I have a notion that will probably be taken up, whether it's Obamacare or Medicare, but we shall see as we go forth here.